Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of our brand new series where we dive into creating an RPG game in Unreal Engine 5 from scratch. If you are a fan of RPGs, game development, or just curious about how games are made, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Unreal Engine, this series will guide you through the entire process step by step. We'll be covering everything: game mechanics, character design, world building, combat systems, and much more. By the end of this series, we'll have a fully functional RPG that you can play and even expand upon. Now, this won't just be a lecture. This is going to be a hands-on journey where we learn and build together. Throughout this series, I'll be showing you how I create my own RPG inside Unreal Engine 5 using blueprints and tutorials to bring it to life. You'll see the entire development process, from setting up the project to designing characters, creating an immersive world, and implementing gameplay mechanics. This means you can follow along and create your own RPG step by step. So if you're excited about this adventure, make sure to stick around, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates. Also, subscribe and share this video and channel. Plus, all asset files will be provided in the description so you guys can use them. In the next episode, we'll be setting up our Unreal Engine 5 project and laying the foundation for our RPG.